Alright guys, so we already know the iPhone 12 lineup is amazing camera wise and video camera, but there's still something you can add to really make your videos look just way better than pretty much everyone else's. Two inexpensive things I'm going to show you are, for one, a hoverboard. We all know where we can get these from, right? They're about, I don't know, 100 to 140, 150 range from Best Buy, Amazon. They're all over the place. And then I'm just going to use my DJI Osmo. This is like the first version. I don't even remember. It's definitely not the latest version, but it doesn't even matter. You just need a good stabilizer, because you got to think about it. When you watch a movie and there's a fast scene coming, or the camera is like approaching something, like going through a hallway, a dark hallway, and it's so smooth, they're using movie reels where they sit on this chair, this mechanical thing, and it literally, they can remote control the speed of it, but you're just moving forward. They're not walking. And of course their rigs cost thousands of dollars. We're not trying to do that. We just want to mimic it, you know what I mean? Just have a little bit of that without spending thousands of dollars. So hoverboard is perfect. So hey, hope that worked for some of y'all. Hopefully maybe you learned something that if you didn't already know all of that anyway. But I always use it, so figured I'll let some of you know that who may not have noticed that. I definitely say invest in that if you want to do videos on anything. It just makes it so much better.